Hello everyone, welcome back to Rishi Academy, a platform for online classes. In this video, I want to discuss how to add a foreign key to the existing table and how to drop the foreign key of the specified table. Adding foreign key and at the same time, I want to drop the foreign key created by me or someone else, right? Let's look at assume that there are two tables already created. One is student table, another is course table. Two tables are created. What is the first table? The first table is student table, and the second table is course table. In this, assume that the course table is parent table. Assume that the course table is parent table. This is the parent table. Parent table, what is the condition here? The parent table should contain the primary key. Assume that the CID is the primary key. This is the table created by me. And in this, CID is the primary key. And second one, this is a child table. Assume that this is a child table. In this, I want to make CID as a primary key. But I forgot making a CID as a foreign key. Now I want to make a CID as a foreign key. While creating a table, I forgot making CID as a foreign key. Then what is the solution? I created parent table with two columns CID and a CNAME. I made CID as a primary key. And I created a second table, that is student table. In that I created four columns, all ticket number, name, age, CID. But the problem here is I forgot making CID as a foreign key. Then what is the solution? There is a solution. We can make CID of the student table as a foreign key by using alter command. Let's look at how to make the CID as a foreign key. Yes, here. The general syntax is I want to define or I want to make the column of the table as a foreign key. So for that, the general syntax is alter table name. Here, the general syntax, I want to write, no need to specify here general syntax. First, I want to specify, I want to show that is table name here. Table name. General syntax is table, alter table name, add constraint. Foreign key is a type of constraint. Primary key is a type of constraint. Which constraint? Constraint name, right? It is necessary to create give a name to the constraint. So this is a constraint name. What constraint? I want to create a constraint that is foreign key. Then you need to write the column name which you want to make a foreign key. Then again there is a reference keyword, reference, which table it refers. So then write the parent table name, then column of the parent table, right? So in the previous, there are two tables. These are the two tables. One is parent table is course table, and the student is the secondary, the child table. In this, CID is the primary key. I want to make CID as a foreign key. So the CID of the student table refers the CID of the course table, right? So for that, I want to make CID as a foreign key. For that, we need to write the statement alter table. The table name is student, right? In that I want to add a constraint, add constraint. The constraint name, this is user defined word, CK underscore F key. This is a user defined name. You can write anything. You can write your name, or you can write textbook name, or you can write anything, right? So, but it should give the meaning of the foreign key, right? So the keyword foreign key. So what is the column name? CID. I want to make CID as a foreign key. So the keyword references which table? Parent table. What is the parent table here? Course, right? So again, in course table, it refers CID column, right? This is making the existing column of the existing table, making existing column of the existing table as a foreign key. Now, at the same time, after creating, I want to drop it. I don't want to make this the column as a foreign key. I want to drop it. In that situation, you can write the statement, simple statement. The statement here is yes. Look at this simple statement. Alter table name, drop keyword. Guys, please remember the keyword here is drop. What do you want to drop? Constraint. I want to drop the constraint. Then you need to specify the constraint name here, right? Constraint name, right? Next, alter example, alter table student. In the student table, I want to drop the constraint. The constraint name here is st_f key. Just now I created foreign key. Foreign key, its name is st_f key. That I want to drop it. For that, alter table student drop constraint name. Right? So these are the two examples. Now I want to execute them in SQL command line. Look at the SQL command line. Yes. Now, first create the table. What is the table? Course table. Create table course. Table name is course. Then what are the attributes? Attributes are CID, number, size is 3. Then make it as primary key. Primary key. Then second one, CNAME. Where I want to write 10. Put semicolon. The course already exists. I want to make it as course 23. Course 23 table created. Right? So in that CID is the primary key. Second one, I want to create a student table. Student 23 I want to create. Student 23. In that first one is all ticket number. Data type is number. And S name is where 10. Then age number of 3, comma, CID number, right? Make it as 3. Then put semicolon, press enter. Table already exists. So I want to make it as student table created. I created 2 tables, but I forgot making CID as a foreign key. I forgot defining a foreign key in student table. I created a primary key, but I forgot connecting 2 tables, student table and course table. Connection is possible only with the foreign key. Connection is possible with foreign key, but I forgot defining foreign key. Now I want to add it. I want to define it, right? 2 tables are created. One is course 23. Another table is student, right? I want to define a foreign key. I want to define a foreign key in student table. For that, simply write alter table. Table name is student, right? What you have to do? Add it. Add what you want to add? Constraint. Constraint. Constraint name st underscore f key. I want to give space foreign key. What is the foreign key here? CID. It references which table? Course 23 table. In the CID column name. Put semicolon, press enter. Table altered means, so this statement creates or defines foreign key. It makes CID column of the student table, CID column of the student table as a foreign key, which connects CID column of the course table. Done. So foreign key is created. Now I want to drop it. What is the drop command here? Drop command. Simple drop here. Alter table. Drop. What do you want to drop? I want to drop the constraint. I want to drop the constraint. What is the constraint name? st underscore f key. Then press enter. Table altered. That is the foreign key removed. The foreign key removed. Right? So these are the methods we can add foreign key to the existing table, and we can drop the foreign key from the existing table. Thank you one and all. And I request each and everyone, please like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.